These are big.
Hey, big head.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and I got tired of doing cheesy recipes. So let's switch it up completely and do some vegan collard green wraps. So of course for collard green wraps, guys, you're gonna need some collard greens. I went to the farmer's market yesterday and I went ahead and separated the best leaves. I was actually freaking out at first because it was real rough on the outside, but by the time I started splitting them up, ooh, I spit. I'm sorry. I found some pretty good ones that we're gonna be using today. You're gonna take a paring knife and we're gonna cut the stem. And let's see, we're gonna cut this part that sticks up so that we can actually wrap it. Okay guys, now it's time to blanch our collards, which is a fancy name for put them things in some water for a couple of seconds. I'm gonna add some salt to the pot. We're gonna drop them in for about 10 seconds. Ooh, yes, steam, honey. We don't want them to cook, so take them right back out. So healthy vegans, get ready. Our first wrap is going to be an all veggie wrap with a spicy peanut sauce. Alright, so I went to the farmer's market yesterday, guys, like I told you, and I bought a whole bunch of veggies and I've already prepped them. Aren't you proud of me? I'm prepped. We're gonna do some purple cabbage or red cabbage, but it's clearly purple. Some carrots that I cut up. I had to figure this out. I did. Wait, should I put them this way? Because I'm gonna roll. Yeah, let's put them this way. Some tomatoes, cucumbers, and some red pepper. Tuck in the sides, okay? And then tightly roll. I wanna do this right. Oh, side. Come back. Come back. Y'all ain't going nowhere today. And then we're gonna roll. Ooh, it's already ripping. Ooh, I'm stressed. Okay. Ooh, but can we cut it? All right, hold on, let's see.
I didn't cut my finger, you did. You did.
Look, it stayed together, we did it. We did it. We sacrificed the finger, but we did it. All right, now let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/2 tablespoon of Hoisin sauce. Is that how you say it? Hoisin? Yes. 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of naturally crunchy peanut butter. Like, this has oil and everything in it, y'all. Natural. You can use smooth. I just like crunchy. Stir that all together. I'm gonna do a little taste, see if I need to add anything. I like it. We're good to go. Hey guys, for our next wrap, we're gonna be doing a BLT, but I know you guys are sick of me doing coconut bacon, so I wanted to switch it up and do rice paper. All right guys, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and make the marinade for the rice paper bacon, which is gonna be exactly the same as the coconut bacon. All right, I've taken out 2 sheets of our rice paper. For anybody who doesn't know about rice paper, I know this looks freaky, but it's okay. I think they use this for the spring rolls at the Asian restaurants. Don't quote me though. All right, and I'm gonna cut it into bacon strips. All right, I'm gonna take some water and I'm gonna submerge it about as long as we did the collard greens, about 10 seconds. It's going to now stick together. All right, I'm gonna kind of drain the excess back into the water. Then I'm gonna dip it in our marinade, and it's gonna come out looking like that there. Look at that, looking like a nasty sheet of paper. Okay guys, the bacon is out of the oven. Just ignore this piece, I was being silly and lazy. Parts are crispy, look at that. But I did taste the piece already and it was a little rubbery. So hit or miss, okay? Either way, let's make our wrap. Oh, that was a good piece. All right, so first we're gonna use our vegan mayo, some bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Okay guys, last but not least, we're gonna make jackfruit wraps. I'm so excited, can y'all tell? Even though I'm a little nervous too because I never made it before. Let's start off by making some guacamole. Come on, let it be green. Come on, let it be green, yeah. All right, we're gonna start off with some oil in the pan. I'm gonna do a half a cup of onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Gonna add a little salt. Now we're gonna add 1 can of shredded jackfruit. All right, to make this jerk, we're gonna do a half a tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Let's do 1 whole tablespoon of jerk seasoning. All right, I'm gonna turn this to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Guys, our jackfruit is all ready. I actually let it sit for 20 minutes. So let's make this wrap. Let's start out with our guacamole we made earlier. I struggled and cut up some mango pieces earlier. The mango was much bigger than this, but I was over it. I don't know how to cut mango up, so I stopped, okay? And now let's put our jerk jackfruit on top. This looks so Caribbean. Ooh.
Exotic.
Alright guys, I am joined here by the beautiful
Sierra Jeanette. Hello world.
Oh yes, come on Scorpio sister.
Hey.
Yes. So she came over right on time. I have not even tried these wraps yet, so I am so excited. So first we're gonna try the veggie wrap. I mean, you can try it without the dip if you want to, but it's just veggies. You see what it is.
Okay.
First,
this is so pretty.
Isn't it pretty? The
pretty
nutrients.
food is so important.
It is. The more colors.
Taste the rainbow.
All right.
This is good.
I just feel so healthy with this. I just feel,
Like you'll eat this and you'll feel light afterwards.
I just feel like a salad, like a dip. You just ate a salad. The raw vegans, let us know down below, because can I say this is raw or no, because I had to blanch it. I don't know. So now we're gonna taste the BLT.
Oh, perfect.
I don't like the rice paper bacon as much as coconut bacon. You had no idea what it was, but I'm just telling.
I like the taste of it. I'm peeking on the inside.
Oh gosh,
I gotta look. I don't mind this.
So you could do that?
I think I could do that. Like, I haven't told you yet, but I'm considering like easing into vegetarianism, maybe veganism, just a little bit.
Yeah, no, we love a good vegan-ish. We love a good vegan-ish.
Okay,
we love
there we go.
We love one. We love
vegan-ish. We gotta get healthy over here. It's not bad.
They put some sort of flavor on it that I like. It's like a smoky. No, it did take away the bacon. Let me hold on. With the burger, for me, it overtook the any of the rice paper bacon. I don't even taste it anymore.
I didn't even realize there was bacon on this one.
That's what I'm saying.
So
Yeah,
that says a lot.
Yeah.
You won me over.
So this one, I have never. I just tried it. I was like, let me make a Caribbean one. This is jerk jackfruit.
Oh yeah, you're my first time having jackfruit. All delicious. All making me want to change my life. The BLT was my favorite. The burger was good too.
But it overtook the plate with the point of it being the BLT.
Right.
So jackfruit, no, don't like the texture. Tell the truth, it's fine.
I don't know what's happening in my mouth right now. That's never a good thing.
Okay.
I don't know. But there's so many things you can do with jackfruit.
Right.
So I'm open to exploring that.
I like it though. Would it be my preference over the veggie and the BLT? No. Only because it took more work and I feel like there's something missing, but it is good. If you're a Caribbean, I wish I had a Caribbean person over here to really kind of judge, but it is good. It's just not my favorite of the 3.
We can open a restaurant. We speaking that into existence.
Why are you joking? We gotta cut. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.